मुखावेले विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत चडांत चड लोकांनी मतदानाचो हक्क मेळोवचो हे खातीर यत्न चल्ल्यात. मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणालान सांगले. 26 ऑक्टोबराक उत्तर गोंया खातीर पणजी आणि दक्षिण गोंया खातीर मडगांवां मतदान यंत्राची तपासणी आनी प्रात्यक्षिकां जातली.
2017च्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत उत्तर गोंयांत 83.33% जाल्यार दक्षिण गोंयांत 79.32% मतदान जाल्लें, जाल्यार 81.27% एकूण मतदान जाल्लें. उत्तर गोंयांत पणजे मतदारसंघात सगळ्यांत उणें 77.6%, जाल्यार दक्षिण गोंयांत वास्कोन 72.44% मतदान जाल्लें. तशेंच साश्टी आनी मुरगांव तालुक्यांतय सगळ्यांत उणें मतदान जाल्लें.
सर नाम से
I was like आप लोग का सारा डाउट ये प्रोसीजर देखो गोवा में it is a proud moment for all of us that commission has selected Goa for introduction of this free FLC checks. It will in addition to what is existing FLC is being done. In the morning we had this thing awareness for all the political parties, then officers and last our media friends, so that we should have complete clarity over the process which is going to be adopted. So tomorrow again we have called all the political parties that they should because FLC, as you know, it takes time. So then they should come with their replacement person, those who are going to attend the FLC process, which is really conducted by the district election officers. That they should be fully aware. There should not be any confusion on that.
सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हैप्पी है कि इस मशीन टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर बाद में एलिगेशंस लगा देते हैं ईवीएम के बारे में.
That is not for me to comment.
This FLC first time is used in Goa or Karnataka?
First time in this one. This is the first time pilot basis.
So Karnataka is
No, this is like Goa is like always leading. Last time we had 100% PVPAT. Remember in 17 election. First time we are having free FLC of this thing. This is a pilot basis they are introducing here. Very uniquely designed. And we are having this entry machine this time.
this office is only to check the unit.
Yes.
There is nothing else.
So it requires internet without internet.
Pardon?
It requires internet connection.
We are all standalone machine. That's why we are telling you like all machines, as she told already, these are all standalone machines. But it all connected.
Data to retrieve the data you have to use for computer systems.
Pardon?
Use the data which is collected in that FL. That is required computer to download it.
So when the checking is going on, the checking, see the thing is that one is diagnostic and then checking. Checking like it's like a stethoscope, you know, you are checking, right, wrong.
But
The latest focus here. So that these are the new machines and this process is the first time the country is being introduced. And then tomorrow we are having all the political parties again we are calling that those who are missed out come again and understand the process.
Then on counting day you are checking with this counting.
No, this is FLC. See, machines basically there are two stages. One is FLC, in which all the cleaning and everything is taking place. Then it is done by the engineers, manufacturer, that is Bharat Electronics and Electronic ECIL. So these two machines are used. The Goa we are having only BEL. So then their engineers come, they do FLC, and once when the this thing commissioning is done, you want to commissioning of the machine when it is taking place. Once we get the list of the candidates, okay, and then like it happens at that time. By that time, machines are certified that yes, it was free from all the limits and everything. Now machines are ready for commissioning. When the candidates are finalized, then candidate setting parallelly is done. Again, political parties are called at that time. So then machines will be ready for use.
2022च्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत चडांचड मतदान जावचे हे खातीर नेटान यत्न चल्ल्यात. 2017च्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत कुठ्ठाळी मतदारसंघातल्या जुवारीनगर बुथाचेर 25.60% आणि वास्कोच्या वर्णापुरी बुथाचेर 29.6% मतदान जाल्लें. हे फावट चडांचड लोकांनी मतदान करचे हाचेर भर आसतलो अशेंय कुणालान सांगलें. गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्यामचारी.